Previously on We Wanderlust Co. We made it to the picturesque Cameron Highlands, and what better way to experience it than to indulge in all the teas Cameron Highland produces. We checked out the largest tea plantation in Malaysia called Boh Tea Plantation and tried all the varieties of tea that they produce. A memorable experience, but we're moving on to a cuter experience and one that I love doing.
Welcome to Cameron Highlands.
Today we're visiting the sheep sanctuary that's not only full of sheep, but alpacas as well. It was a fun time, but I'll let you know my thoughts in the video. The journey continues to Ipoh, but with a slight twist.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We have one last thing to do before we head over to Ipoh, which is our next destination.
Yeah.
We are making our way uphill in this traffic and these crowds here in Cameron Highlands because unbeknownst to us, this morning we found out that this weekend was a Malaysian holiday. Public school holidays are on. So 3 holidays have brought us here to a very, very busy Cameron Highlands when it usually isn't like this.
No, it's not. Yeah.
But yeah, we are making our way uphill to probably, which is going to be my favorite spot. And then once we get there, I'll show you what it is.
You would not be able to tell there's a sheep sanctuary, right? Because it's right in the middle of town.
Yeah.
It's right behind like concrete buildings
And a
and a
hotel.
shopping in a hotel. Yeah.
And it's right amongst like these markets and these
Yeah.
stalls.
Yeah.
You have to walk
You
down.
would never be able to tell. It's like tucked away, hidden in the back.
What time is it now? It's ba time. It is so big, fat, and fluffy. Oh, it's drinking water. Nice. What's that? Nice head massage.
Yeah.
It's dirty.
Yeah.
Langsung ragu dia.
It's so warm. It's breath.
Oh yeah, the coat, right?
Yeah. It was so nice, kind of having your feet off your hand.
But it does seem they're overfed, right?
Yes, yeah. Sometimes they choose not to be fed, yeah. Because I'm pretty sure there's so many people feeding them. So
Aww. It's like
it looks like a waterbed.
perhaps I would say it has been overfed.
Yeah.
It's like just laying there in the heat. You need a little tour. You need a little stroll down the tea plantation,
Yeah.
buddy.
Kind of burn them calories.
Wanna come with us? Wanna come with us?
Very good.
So it seems like they're being overfed, guys, which is not good for the sheep. And it's super crowded. It's a very contrast from our Thailand sheep experience. So that's quite interesting. But it's always beautiful seeing beautiful animals. We also have alpacas here in the back, but I think this space, the confined spaces, feels a little bit crowded. Oh. Yeah. Finished all almost. I have some more. So we are heading down to an area called Kampar. Unfortunately, we weren't able to find an accommodation in Ipoh for one night which is from Saturday to Sunday because of the holidays that are happening right now. It is super busy and a lot of things are super booked up. Our host actually told us that Cameron Highlands itself was booked at 96% capacity and only 4% left, and those 4% were probably going to be really, really expensive rooms. So yeah, we are heading down now, but it's been a really scenic drive down.
Yeah, nice and windy, but not as bad as the other one coming up. It's nice and wide. It feels like a highway going down, so many multiple lane switches. So pretty comfortable. I feel like if you guys did want to come to Cameron Highlands, you guys could take the longer route up just to be safe. Definitely try to make your way up to Cameron Highlands.
Yeah, you can even take tours. You don't even have to drive yourself. I think some people maybe, I guess you could take a taxi or a Grab might be expensive. I'm
or
not sure.
a tour bus, just like there's one right in front of us.
A tour bus is going right in front of us.
Yeah.
We've seen lots of people on tours.
Yeah.
That's perhaps one of the, I was going to say safest ways, but I mean, you never know. It's a very convenient way of traveling, having everything kind of taken care of. So you just come and enjoy the scenery and the attractions and stuff. So yeah, we are making our way down.
Yeah, it's just unfortunate that Ipoh did not have that many rooms left, and not up to standards too. So that's something we chose to settle in Kampar. So at least we have a place for the night.
Amen.
So we encountered some rainfall too. So that was a nice,
refreshing change.
Yeah.
We passed by so many stalls selling strawberries. As you guys know, Cameron Highlands is also famous for their strawberry farms where you can just pick your own and buy them. But we also passed by a lavender farm.
Yes.
So that was cool. I think that's a place where you can go and get some lavender cakes. But we were like zooming past, so we totally missed that.
Lavender ice cream.
Yeah, and lavender ice cream as well. Maybe next time. So you'll have like one last stop of your, if you need your strawberry fix, there's gonna be one it'll say like your last stop.
Really?
Strawberry, yeah.
But just the drive itself, very lush. The mountains are just so lush with greens. Literally in the jungle.
It's beautiful.
Very, very beautiful.
We have about 40 minutes to go till we get to Kampar. We decided to take a little rest break near the road and just take in some of this lush greenery. It's so beautiful. These are the highlands, so you're gonna see lots of trucks even transporting goods, probably lots of fruits and vegetables up and down these roads. But it's really nice. It's very peaceful. You can hear a lot of jungle sounds, which are different, I guess, species of animals, birds, and just the rustling of leaves and so many different types of plants. This area is rich in flora and fauna. It's just super lush. And I hope it stays this way for a very long time. OMG, this has to be the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life. Let me get Wasim's reaction on the biggest spider we've ever seen.
It's massive. I've never seen a spider that big. Yeah, it looks a little intimidating.
A little?
Yeah. Must be waiting for a bird, not an insect, for a bird. So we stopped on the side of the road. Just seeing the magnificent sight of, I guess, them cutting down the mountain. Never seen anything like this before. There's a whole lot of sound of machinery and all that. We thought it was a natural formation of the mountain itself, but seems like they're probably excavating it. I don't know for what. It could be minerals, could be for rare earth minerals or material. So let us know, guys. I don't know what that is, but pretty fascinating.
Alright guys, thank you so much for spending the day with us. We had an incredible time exploring the sheep and alpaca, I would say, sanctuary, albeit it was a little bit too touristy and crowded, but we had a wonderful day driving down to Kampar.
Yeah. We'll see you guys from the heart of Ipoh in the next video.
Bye!
Next on We Wanderlust Co. so gorgeous inside. This is one of the oldest Chinese cave temples, and it's built within the limestone cliffs, and it just looks so majestic. This is said to be the oldest cave temple in Malaysia.